Guys, please subscribe and help the channel get to 150k subscribers.
Hey Tabafetu, this video is brought to you by EasyPets. Click the link in the description to sign up and use code FANS50 to receive a 50 rand sign up bonus. And also, T's and C's apply. Under 18s are not permitted to gamble. Tango.
Welcome to all my fans on the TV. It's the Patriot Premiership. Orlando Pirates 0, Sekhukhune 1. I'm joined by TV.
Stivo.
How are you, my brother?
It was one of those nights there, Stivo.
What was wrong with Orlando Pirates?
I don't know what happened, but the formation was just mixed up.
Yes.
And the nerves, Stivo, for the derby.
Yes.
But that does not mean that we are not going to play at the weekend.
Yeah.
Chiefs must make sure that they come prepared.
Yes.
Because we are going to show them flames.
Yes.
We are not scared of Kaizer Chiefs.
Yes.
So today they are not Sekhukhune.
Yeah.
So this is one of the nights that was not okay for Orlando Pirates.
Yeah.
No.
Who do we blame?
No, we're not blaming anyone. We lose as a team.
Yes.
We win as a team.
Yes.
We will come back.
Yes.
And there's a strategy for Kaizer Chiefs.
Yeah.
We are coming for them.
Is the league gone, my brother?
No, we are still going to push it, Stivo.
Yeah.
We are not going to give up. We are still going to fight until the last day of the league, Stivo.
TV, who was your man of the match?
Man of the match, I will give it to Ririman. He was trying and Kota as well.
Yeah.
They were playing, but we were coming back for Kaizer Chiefs.
You're coming back for Kaizer Chiefs?
Yes.
Yes,
We are coming back for Kaizer Chiefs. We are coming back. Yeah. These ones, they know every season, Steve. When they have to play Sekhukhune, they are always out of the top 8. Yeah, top 8 every season for the past 3 years. Sekhukhune have been giving them problems. I'm a part of top 8 because of Sekhukhune. So there's nothing, man. It's just a game. It was a night that was not good for us. We lost, but we are still going to play, Steve. We are not going to give up.
Who's the man of the match?
Man of the match, Ririman.
Thank you very much. Thank you, brother.